So that car is really gonna pull a kid on a wagon.
Yes. Yes, it is.
This is gonna be cool.
Yeah, but you've never seen something like that before, because I know I haven't.
Me either. That's why it's gonna be fun.
Uh-oh, slipping on traction.
Pluto! There we go. Get all the gravel I can actually drive. Pluto? Now you wonder why he wanted a bigger one. Pluto! Pluto! Leave him alone.
That is awesome.
That's what I wanted it for.
that. Is that what you, wasn't that what you wanted?
That's exactly that's all I wanted it for. You know I can play like this.
That's awesome.
That is awesome. I like it. That is awesome.
Wow. What do you think of that?
Good.
Is that cool or what? Yes, I made it. All right.
Your dog cracks me up. So how much is one like that?
Oh, about $1,000.
About it, yeah.
New. I mean, you can get online and find them used. Pluto.
The red cat, this scale is right at 5.
Oh, really? There you go. Get off the train.